If you've been wondering whether Manus AI or Claude 3.5 is faster, the answer really depends on what kind of speed you mean. In this video, I'm going to break it down in a simple, practical way, so you can decide which one makes more sense for your workflow. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials, comparisons, and productivity tips. Let's get into it. When most people ask which AI is faster, they usually mean one of two things. They either mean which tool gives the quickest response when you ask a question, or they mean which tool gets a task done faster from start to finish. And that difference matters a lot, because Manus AI and Claude 3.5 are built for very different kinds of work. If you want fast responses for writing, coding, brainstorming, summarizing, or answering questions, Claude 3.5 is usually the faster option. It is designed like a highly responsive conversational AI, so it starts generating output almost immediately after you send a prompt. That makes it feel quick, smooth, and efficient for everyday use. Claude 3.5 Sonnet in particular was introduced as a faster model than earlier Claude versions, while still keeping strong reasoning quality. So if your goal is speed in the chat experience, Claude 3.5 has the advantage. You can ask a question and get a reply very quickly. That makes it great for things like drafting emails, generating outlines, explaining code, rewriting text, or comparing ideas. In these situations, you usually want a model that can think fast and respond fast, and Claude 3.5 does that very well. Now let's talk about Manus AI. Manus AI is not really trying to be just a chatbot. It is built more like an autonomous AI agent. That means instead of only answering your prompt directly, it can plan steps, browse the web, run commands, write code, create files, and carry out a workflow on your behalf. Because of that, Manus AI may take longer before giving you a final result. But that slower response does not necessarily mean it is worse. It simply means it is doing more work behind the scenes. If you ask Manus AI to research a topic, build something, gather information from multiple sources, or complete a multi-step task, it may spend more time executing each part of the process. So while the final answer may come later, the total task could be more automated and require less manual effort from you. That's why the word faster can be misleading here. Claude 3.5 is typically faster for immediate responses. Manus AI can be better for complex workflows, where speed is less about instant output and more about getting a full task completed with minimal supervision. Here's the simplest way to think about it. If you want quick answers, quick code help, quick content generation, or quick analysis, Claude 3.5 is usually the faster and more responsive choice. If you want an AI to act more like an assistant that can research, browse, build, and complete tasks step by step, Manus AI may take longer, but it can do more of the work for you. So, in a direct speed comparison, Claude 3.5 usually wins for response time. In a workflow comparison, Manus AI may feel more powerful because it is performing a lot of actions automatically. That means the better choice depends on what you're trying to do. If your priority is instant conversation and rapid output, go with Claude 3.5. If your priority is automation and end-to-end task completion, Manus AI could be the better pick, even if it is not the quickest to reply. I hope this comparison helped clear things up. If it did, please like this video and subscribe for more AI breakdowns, tool comparisons, and how-to guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video comparing Manus AI versus Claude 3.5 for coding, research, or real-world productivity use cases.